Little Kingdom.
Hello kids, welcome to Little Kingdom. Today we are going to learn the small letter H with pictures. Children, this is small letter H. H. The sound of this letter is Ha. The sound of this letter is Ha. Hen. H for hen. H for hen. Ha as in hen. Ha as in hen. House. H for house. H for house. Ha as in house. Ha as in house. Horse. H for horse. H for horse. Ha as in horse. Ha as in horse. Hammer. H for hammer. H for hammer. Ha as in hammer. Ha as in hammer. Hat. H for hat. H for hat. Ha as in hat. Ha as in hat. Helicopter. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. Ha as in helicopter. Ha as in helicopter. Now let's learn together. H. H for hen. H for house. H for horse. H for hammer. H for hat. H for helicopter. Now let's learn with sound. Ha. Ha as in hen. Ha as in house. Ha as in horse. Ha as in hammer. Ha as in hat. Ha as in helicopter. Thank you.